Hello, everyone. How are you? John Napolitano here with Top Trading Pro. Hope you are all doing well. Just wanted to cover one small topic about options expiration in this segment here. One of the myths that I've heard a lot of people talk about, it's not really a myth, but it's a little bit of a misconception. A lot of people have told me, well, John, I heard somewhere that 80 to 90% of all options expire worthless. So why would I want to trade any asset class that ends up being worthless that much percent of the time? And my answer to that is, well, it really depends. First of all, obviously, you have strike price and expiration. So at expiration, you will reach a certain price, and anything else other than that price yeah, the option will be worthless. But when you're trading options, one of the most important things you have to realize is that you're not aiming for expiration when you're picking your expiration date. And that's such a huge misconception. You're going to be long gone out of any option contract 99% of the time especially when you're going long an option long before expiration occurs. So you're going to be selecting expiration dates that are completely kind of irrelevant to worrying about whether it expires or not. You're going to be long out of the trade before that even happens. So that's number one. Number two, if you happen to be a credit trader, which you'll learn in time once you get some education and learn the difference between debit trading and credit trading when it comes to options, expiration is kind of what you're looking forward to. When you're a credit trader, you want the expiration to actually be zero. You want the option to expire worthless because you're essentially collecting a credit and receiving a paycheck if it does expire worthless. So sometimes you take the bet that it will expire worthless. So the fact that options expire worthless or not worthless is really kind of irrelevant. So it's a little bit of a myth when people talk about, oh, well, 90% of options expire worthless. It really doesn't make a difference. And that's one of the misconceptions I really wanted to clear up, because I think people assume that just because something expires that it's not worth anything. That's a complete myth when it comes to options. The opposite holds true. If you, like I said, if you're a credit trader and you're actually doing a covered call strategy, for instance, or a strategy like a credit spread, all these things you'll learn in my classes, you're going to be very happy when the option expires worthless. On the other side of the token, if you are going long an option, which is basically a debit strategy, you're going to be long gone out of that option before it goes worthless. So that's something I just wanted to clear up. There are a lot of just bad information out there that I really want to try to combat, because I think that if you have a little bit of knowledge out there, if you do a little bit of research on YouTube, it could be really, really confusing. So bottom line is, don't worry about expiration date. It's just a matter of what strategy you're using, what your risk management is, what you're looking to accomplish from any given option strategy at any given time. So yeah, at expiration, yes, certain options will become worthless, but that's perfectly normal. That's what they were meant to do in the first place most of the time. So I hope this clears a little bit about the kind of the myths and some of the things you might hear out there about options and how they could expire worthless. It's just a topic I wanted to cover because I think it's really important. So I hope this was helpful. Again, if you have any questions, I am here always. Reach out to me, and hopefully we'll be talking again soon. Okay. Have a great day and have a great trading. Take care. Bye-bye.